Miles away, oceans apart, never in my sight, but always in my heart. The love is always there, it will never die, only growing stronger, a tear rolls on my eyes. I'm thinking of the time when the day will come, standing there before you, accept this Hajj of mine, standing in Ihram, making my Tawaf, drinking blessings from your well. The challenge of Safa and Marwa rekindles my Iman. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call. I'm praying for the day when I can be near the Kaaba wall. I feel alive and I feel strong. I can feel Islam running through my veins to see my Muslim brothers, their purpose all the same, greeting one another, exalting one true name. Oh, I truly hope one day everyone will get the chance to be blessed with the greatest honor of being called to your noble house, standing in Ihram, making my Tawaf, drinking blessings from your well. The challenge of Safa and Marwa rekindles my Iman. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call. Oh Allah, I'm waiting for the call.